What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlogs. I am so sorry that I haven't been posting any videos as of lately. I'll be honest, I am taking my bike in right now. What up? I am taking my bike in right now to go get it fixed. There's nothing like super like mechanically, there's no like engine problems or whatever. I just have to get new forks. This bike is a 2007, and one day I was just, looking over the bike, make sure everything looks all good. Check the oil, see if there's any leaks anywhere. And I've checked the forks pretty frequently, but one day I noticed there was a little bit of grime. And so I was like, okay, that's weird. And typically, if there's any kind of dirt or grease on your forks, that means your fork seals are going out. So I was like, okay, woo, what the? There's a freaking dragonfly or something that almost just smacked my face. So yeah, typically, I go through here. So typically, if you see any grime on your forks, any grease, usually it'll just be your fork seals. But I took it to a mechanic just to get, a better opinion. And he looked at the bike, and on the back side, the inside of the forks, there's a lot of grease. And so he recommended just to, get new forks entirely and just rebuild them, I guess, in a way. Just because doing the fork seals would just be a band-aid on it. Yeah, doing the fork seals would just pretty much make it like a band-aid. So I was like, okay, well, changing forks is not very cheap, let's just say that. So I had to save up a little bit, and I finally saved enough. So that's why I've been MIA for a little while. If you guys are seeing this, I'm recording it because I'm taking it to the mechanic. I gotta leave it there for like a few days, maybe a week, and then pick it up. So it's still gonna be a little while before you guys see this video, for me at least. But for you guys, it'll just be like a whole thing, like, 10-minute, 15-minute vlog, whatever, I don't know. So, but yeah, anyways, that's why I haven't been posting or vlogging, because I just didn't want to ride the bike like that. I know it's pretty dangerous, so, and I need to get an oil change. So I'm just gonna drop it off, get an oil change on it, and just do the forks and everything, so the bike is in tip-top shape. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just dropped it off at Lee Cycle right here. I got a second opinion on it, and the guy said I don't need new forks. He said it looks like just the fork seals need to be replaced. So I was like, okay, well, just do the fork seals then, I guess. That'll save me a bunch of money, because like I said, forks are not very cheap. So it'll take like a day, so hopefully I'll just get the bike back tomorrow and we can go back riding and get the oil change done and all that good stuff. I'm just gonna be waiting for my friend Joey right now, and then go home and come back tomorrow. So I will see you guys in just a second for you, but it's gonna be tomorrow for me. Alright, boys and girls, we are back. It's the next day. Forks are all good, fork seals are all done, oil change is done. This bike should be ready to rock and roll. I have not ate yet, so I'm going to get some food. Alright, we got the foods. We got the foods. Hello, Mr. Popo. Mrs. Popo. Mrs. Popo. Mr. Popo. Dragon Ball Z, Mr. Popo. Is that a GT3? Yes, sir. Where's he at? Where's he at? Come on! But there's the GT3. GT3, GT3, GT3. Where is he at? We gotta run it. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. What the hell is all this toilet paper? Where is he? Oh my god, he's not coming. Whatever. There's a biker friend. He made room for me. Woo! What's up, brother?
You scared the shit out of me.
What is this, a 300 or 4?
This is 650.
350. Nice. It's a nice day to ride.
What's that?
It's a nice day to ride.
I know, it's beautiful, dude.
It's super nice.
It's nice outside. You going here?
Nah, I'm just riding around.
Me neither.
I'm just riding around.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Okay.
What is it?
600 CBR.
Hey, let me hear it. I like it. That's it. I just upgraded from my 300.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so this is a little bit bigger.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
You don't want to get a 600?
I did, but I was only on my 300 for like a month and a half.
Oh, okay.
So
Makes
I want,
sense.
like, a baby step.
Yeah. That's smart. I made a new friend. Ooh, this is tight. Oh, baby. We made it, though. Oh, you got it, brother. A little tight back there.
I'm good, tight as hell. I was looking at my mirrors, I was like, holy shit.
Even though I was like, oh, it was a little tight, I got it though.
I know, I saw you, you were like, I was like, what the fuck?
You live around here?
Yeah.
You do? You
I live way over there.
So how long have you been riding?
I've been riding like dirt bikes and shit since I was like 7.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But I just got the street bike like I said like 2 months ago maybe.
Oh, okay. I feel like you could have started on a 600. I feel like you could have started on a 6. It's not that bad. They're not that bad.
It is beautiful.
Thank you.
I love it. My homie wants one really bad.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah. He's on a R3 right now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get 1,000 now.
Yeah.
I've been riding for like 2 years though.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've been around.
Yeah. Lady's brushing her teeth, bro. What the hell? And that's how you guys don't crash. You always look for the stupid drivers. I saw that guy like a mile away and I started slowing down immediately, and I'm not gonna make it a problem. And it's some Asian guy. Of course, even though I'm Asian. I almost died.
I know, I saw it.
It's all good. It happens all the time. You see those girls staring at you? I'm trying to get back onto the freeway, I'll be honest. I'm probably just gonna turn around and go home.
Okay.
So. Alright, well, that was pretty fun. If you're watching this video, by the way, brother, it was nice meeting you. Sorry I didn't say bye. I just kind of just left. But, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys all so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you all so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one.